A very good morning, children. Happy Monday, all of you. In the previous class, we have studied about the lesson the Earth. Earth is the third planet of our solar system. Earth rotates on its axis. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. To complete one rotation, how many hours it takes, children? 24 hours. Earth rotates on its axis. Okay. Earth has a specific shape. Earth has its own specific shape. This spherical shape is called geoid shape. This spherical shape is called geoid shape. If you touch an orange, you will feel that bottom tip and top tip slightly flat, right? In the same way, Earth also has two tips. That top tip is called North Pole. The bottom tip is called South Pole. This is called poles. Okay. Top tip is called Northern Pole. The bottom tip is called South Pole. Understood? Okay. A small model of the Earth is called globe. A small model of the Earth is called globe. Okay. Earth is also called as blue planet. From the space, Earth looks like Earth appears in blue color. That's the reason it is called as blue planet. Sometimes it is also called as blue planet. Okay. Earth is made up of water and land. Almost 71% of water is covered by Earth. Earth is covered by almost 71% of water. And also 29% of land. Land somehow plain land, island, so many types of lands are there. You'll learn more about higher classes. In higher classes. Understood? Earth is made up of water and land. Okay. Then come to the latitude and longitude. Latitude. If you observe the globe, there is a imaginary lines. These lines actually they're not really seen on the earth, children. This is just a imaginary. This is just an imaginary lines. These imaginary lines are called latitude and longitude. Latitude are the horizontal lines. Longitude are the vertical lines. Understood? Okay. Latitude describes across the earth, east to west across the earth. And longitude, it just crosses across the north to south. The latitude 0 degree equally divided the north and south pole. It is called equator. It is called an equator. Understood? Okay. Next, direction. There are 4 main directions are there. East, west, north and south. East, west, north and south. Understood? Okay. If you stand towards the sun, where the sun is rising, right, that is called east. Behind your face, that is called west. Left side of your hand, that is called north. Right side of your hand, that is called south. In this way, we can identify the directions north, south, east and west. Understood, children? Okay, then one more important point I forgot. That is about one second. Yes, about continents. The large massive spaces on the earth is called land spaces is called continents. There are 7 continents in the world. Asia, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America, North America. Understood? These are the 7 continents in the world. And large water bodies are called oceans. Large water bodies are called oceans. Indian Ocean, Arabic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Still more oceans are there. This is called oceans. Large water bodies are called oceans. Understood? This is the explanation about the lesson, the earth. Now, I have in the previous class, I have given some hard words to learn and write. I hope you all have learned. In this session, I am going to give you the first main of this lesson, the earth. Please write down, open your EVS classwork. Subject. EVS. Topic. About the earth. Class 3rd standard. First main. Fill in the blanks. FILL, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. BLANKS. Fill in the blanks. The first one, write down. The first one, A, small SMALL, small MODEL, model of the, a small model of the what? Earth. Right? Yes, a small model of the EARTH, Earth, is called what, children? Is called what? Globe, right? Yes. A small model of the Earth is called globe. Write down GLOBE, globe. A small model of the Earth is called globe. There is some imaginary lines. Actually, in really, they are not see. There is no any imaginary lines on the Earth, children. They are just imaginary lines to find out the location where the place is exactly located. The shape of the distance between the places, shape of the places, to find out shape of the places, distance between the places, to find out, we are using that imaginary lines, that is longitude and latitude. Understood? Okay. A small model of the Earth is called globe. Write down the second one. TH, the EARTH, the Earth is made up of dash and dash. Earth is made up of water and land, right? Yes, Earth is made up of water and land. Write down WATER, water, and LAND, land. Earth is made up of water and land. Very good. Write down third one. Earth is in which shape, children? Earth is in spherical shape. It has two flat tips. Top tip is called northern pole and bottom tip is called southern pole. Okay. TH, the top. TOP, top. TIP, tip. Top tip is called CALLED, is called dash pole. POLE, pole. Top tip is called which pole? North pole. Okay. Top tip is called NORTH, north pole. Top tip is called north pole. Bottom tip is called south pole. Okay. Earth is in which shape, children? Earth is in spherical shape. It has two flat tips. Top tip is called north pole and bottom tip is called south pole. Understood? Okay. The best example for Earth, it is an orange. If you observe the flat top and bottom tip, means you can feel flat tips. In the same way, Earth also has two tips. And one more important information I told you in the last session, that is on the globe, the portion of land is called geosphere, portion of water is called hydrosphere, right? Yes. Fourth one, write down. On the globe or else on the earth. On the globe or else on the earth, the portion of the portion, PORTION, portion of, OF, of the portion of land, L-A-N-D, land. The portion of land is called C-A-L-L-E-D. Is called what, children? The portion of land is called geosphere. Geosphere. G-E-O-S-P-H-E-R-E. Geosphere. And one more. On the globe, the portion of water is called hydrosphere. Write down the portion of, on the globe, the portion of land is called geosphere. Geosphere. The portion of water is called hydrosphere. Okay. The first one, small model of the earth, is called globe. The second one, the earth is made up of water and land. The top tip is called North Pole. The bottom tip is called South Pole. On the globe, the portion of land is called geosphere. On the globe, the portion of water is called hydrosphere. Okay. These are the very important information you should be remember, children. No, you should not supposed to forget. Okay. When you go for higher classes, there also these type of information only it will be there in the social studies, children. Here only if you learn about this explanation about geosphere, land, water, globe and all, means it will be helpful for you. Next, fifth one. Fifth one. Zero degree latitude. 0 degree, L-A-T-I-T-U-D-E, latitude. 0 degree latitude equally, E-Q-A-L-L-Y, equally divided the North and South Pole. North and South Pole. P-O-L-E, pole. Okay. Is called, the line is called 0 degree latitude equally divided the North and South Pole. The line is called, the line, L-I-N-E, line. The line is called C-A-L-L-E-D. The line is called equator. E-Q-U-A-T-O-R, equator. The line is called equator. This line in 0 degree latitude, this line equally divided the North and South Pole. That line is called equator in 0 degree latitude. Latitude measured in degrees and longitude measured in degrees, minutes and seconds. These are the general information about latitude and longitude. Longitude and latitude are the imaginary lines on the globe, which actually really we cannot see on the earth, children. This is just an imaginary lines, that is called latitude and longitude. Latitude is measured in degrees. Longitude measured in degrees, minutes and seconds. Latitude are the horizontal lines and longitude are the vertical lines. The 0 degree latitude equally divided the North and South Pole. That line is called equator. That line is called equator. Earth rotates on its axis. It takes 24 hours to complete its one rotation. It takes how many hours to complete the rotation, children? One rotation it takes how many hours? 24 hours. Earth is a third planet of our solar system. The first photo was taken on August 1966. Okay, Earth is also called as blue planet. Earth is made up of water and land. 71% of water and 29% of land. Sorry. Okay, fine. Almost the earth is, as I told you earlier, earth is covered by 71% of water, right? Yes. Half of the water contains salt water. Do you use salt water to take bath? No, right? Do you use salt water for cooking? No, right? Do you use salt water for drinking? No, right? Yes. It is waste, children. Okay. So the remaining water sources, the remaining water only we'll use in our daily routine life. Understood? Okay. The remaining of the water contains lot of salt. It is a salt water. Okay. This is what 5 fill in the blanks questions I have prepared for you. I hope you all have completed. In the next session, I am going to give you the remaining notes of the lesson, the earth. Until that, keep recalling, keep learning about whatever I have given in this session, and also whatever I have taught about the lesson, the earth. Keep recalling, try to understand the lesson, children. Okay, I am going to wind up the session. Thank you. Bye-bye.